Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass and back cover on the Oneplus Nord N200 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and follow with the back cover removal. For removing the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartwright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the mid frame by undoing 17 screws from the top and bottom sections. And also make sure the seam tray is out. And then, using a plastic cartwright tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the fingerprint plug to release the mid frame from the body. Next, apply heat to the camera lens glasses. For this, we are using a heat gun. And then slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the required lens. If you are replacing only rings, you can follow the same steps for the other rings too. Next, place the new camera lens glass ring with adhesive. Next, if needed, can take out the lens with the frame. First, apply heat to the lens area from the front side. Next, slightly apply pressure from the rear side to take out the lens with the frame. Next, secure the new camera lens frame in the mid frame by adding adhesive. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 17 screws. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws, and also insert the SIM tray. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.